Hi, today I'm going to explore a two-bedroom apartment in newly handed over a brand new community by Emaar called Rashid Yacht and Marina. This is a building named Seagate. It's a very beautiful, recently handed over, two bed plus laundry. This is the view from the balcony. It has a two balcony, one from living room where we are right now. Open plan kitchen. Here is the laundry. This is the first bedroom. Bright. A decent size of wardrobe. First bathroom, which has a bathtub. This is master bedroom. Walk-in closet in the bathroom. It has a shower cabin. Good size of bathroom. Decent finish. So there is a balcony from this master bedroom, which is facing similar side of another balcony. These are the upcoming building which will be ready in the next 6 months.